Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Know the app URL, expected port, and whether TLS is required. Once done, obtain valid credentials or an API token and make a dedicated test account to avoid damaging production. Open your browser's developer tools and enable the network panel. This lets you watch requests and responses as you proceed. Make sure a proxy or request capturing tool is ready for deeper inspection, and keep a secure notes file to record endpoint patterns and parameter names. You now execute the main flow while observing how the app behaves. Log in and follow redirects, capture cookies and bearer tokens, and locate refresh or session endpoints so you understand longevity. Then map key API endpoints by performing typical UI actions while watching network calls. Note required headers, body formats, and CSRF protections. Once mapped, run controlled tests. Simple requests first, then boundary inputs, and finally scripted sequences to reproduce actions reliably without breaking state. You finish by executing the final action and verifying success through status codes and return data. Make sure changes persisted where expected and export request/response examples for future automation or replay. If something fails, reproduce the exact steps while isolating variables. Clear cookies, try an incognito session, and confirm CORS or content security policy settings aren't blocking your requests. If you hit rate limits or anti-automation defenses, slow down, rotate sessions, and inspect server error details to guide the next corrective step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.